Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today at the 19th of April 2022. And before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was Flexible Volume Profile Indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations for winning the volume profile. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's for the contest. And let's now check out the charts and the trading ideas. The first one is on the British pound. So what you see before you is a 30-minute chart of the British pound. And what I want to talk about in here are those heavy volumes which got accumulated in this rotation area right before the start of this aggressive sell-off. Now this sell-off indicates that those volumes were strong and aggressive institutional sellers who are building up their short positions in here, and afterwards they manipulated the price to shoot downwards. So what I expect now to happen is when there's a pullback to this zone again at some point in the future, and it doesn't need to be today or this week, it could take some time before the price reaches this area, but when it reaches this area, beginning at 1.3129, I expect that the sellers from this zone will want to defend this zone because it's clearly important for them, and they're likely to push the price downwards from this zone again. Right? So this is the reasoning behind this strong day trading resistance on the British pound. The setup which I used here is called the volume accumulation setup, and if you want you can read more about it in the book, which is freely available on my website. You just download it and you can learn more about the setup and also other trading setups that I use. So anyways, that's for the British pound. Let's now go and have a look at the next trading idea, and the next one is on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. So what we had in here was crazy strong and aggressive buying activity starting right there at the start of today's Asian session. Now what happened before this strong buying activity was that there were heavy volumes accumulated in here. From this heavy volume accumulation zone, the strong buying activity started. So this is telling us that strong buyers were building up their long positions in here, and afterwards they pushed and manipulated the price to shoot upwards. Right? This is again the volume accumulation setup that I showed you on the British pound, only in this case this is a long trade scenario, right? This is pointing us to a strong buyers, and those buyers are likely to defend this heavy volume zone, which is beginning at 93.33. So again, when there's a pullback at some point in the future, pullback to this zone, then the buyers from this zone will want to defend their longs and defend this area, which is clearly important for them because they placed a lot of their longs there, right? So they're likely to defend it and push the price upwards from there again. That's why I think that this is a strong support. Alright, so again, another volume accumulation setup. Now let's check out another trading idea, and the next one is on Euro Japanese yen. So what I want to talk about in here is a rejection setup which formed in here. So the first thing to comment on is this strong rejection of lower prices. What this is telling us is that sellers were pushing the price aggressively downwards, but then strong buyers jumped in, they bought everything the sellers had to sell, and the buyers started to buy aggressively and push the price upwards, reversing the trend. Now, what you want to see in such a rejection is a significant volume zone. Significant volume zone like this one, close to the rejection point. This is the rejection point, right, where the price turned. So, what's important here is this volume cluster, those heavy volumes. This is the place where most of the trading activity took place before the price reversed, right? So this is a place which is important, and this place should work as a strong support, because buyers who were rejecting the lower prices in here at the first place should defend this place again in the future, especially those volumes, those trades which they placed there. So when there is a pullback to this zone at some point in the future, the support zone beginning at 135.76, I expect that buyers, those buyers, will defend this zone and they'll push the price upwards from there again, right? So this is the rejection setup where we trade with aggressive buyers who rejected lower prices, right? So that's about it. That's about today's trading ideas. I hope you guys liked the video. If you would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and the next best step is go to trading course and tools. So you click that, you scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is an educational pack that will teach you everything there is about trading with volume profile, and there is a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes a video course, it includes my day trading and swing trading levels that you'll be getting each day. It also includes volume profile indicators that I developed, and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, it also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support team will set up NinjaTrader, a platform for you with all my indicators. They'll load up my trading workspaces, they'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the Elite Pack, and that's also about this video. I hope you guys liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!